Has your garage door turned into a source of frustration? Identifying the signs of wear is crucial for safety and functionality. In Flower Mound, Texas, garage doors face wear from daily use and fluctuating weather conditions, making maintenance essential. Garage door springs bear enormous tension, vital for counterbalancing the door's weight. They age and may eventually break. Rollers are essential for smooth movement. Made of different materials, worn rollers can create noise and disrupt the door's motion. Cables work tirelessly alongside the springs, making their integrity vital. Frayed cables lead to an unbalanced door, posing serious risks. The opener motor automates your door's operation. If it begins to struggle, it might be nearing the end of its lifespan. Misaligned or dirty tracks can cause your garage door to operate poorly, leading to further damage if not addressed promptly. Noisy operations may indicate faulty rollers or a struggling opener. Regular inspections can help identify these alarming signs early. Neglecting worn components can result in more significant repairs later. Prioritize maintenance and address issues before they escalate. Professional garage door repair offers peace of mind and ensures your door operates safely and efficiently for years to come.